Exercise 25. The table below shows the number of students in each grade at a high school B. So we have 156 students in grade 9, 148 in grade 10, 142 in grade 11, 134 in grade 12, and we have a total of 580 students. What fraction of the students in high school B, so this means that out of all 580 students, how many are in grade 9? How many are in grade 9? Obviously, it should be 156 out of 580, which means that the right answer for this specific question is D.